Hey everyone, how's it going? Grand Line Unboxing back again at it with a new pack opening. Today, a Fist of Divine Speed. I got some packs at a local store. So let's crack into this. Come on, OP11, don't make me steal the Grand Line empty-handed. I think right inside. Oh, no spoilers. First we have a little CD, top knot Neptunian, scaled Neptunian, Gum Gum King Cobra, bulge-eyed Neptunian, Vinsmoke Yonji, Zephyr, the shark Megalo. I really like this artwork. I don't know. It's a stupid. What is it? Uncommon. But I was hoping to see this card. Bartolomeo, Ripper, Shirley, and then Lord of the Coasts. So yeah. Thanks guys for watching. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.